Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install and configure Oracle SQL Developer Command Line 18.4 on Suse Linux Enterprise Server 12. So here we can see that I already downloaded Oracle SQL Command Line 18.4 zip file from Oracle website. So this is a generic zip file. So I'm going to extract this content to /opt directory. Make sure that you have enough permission to extract the content to /opt. So this Oracle SQL command line 18.4 supports Oracle database 18c Enterprise and Express Edition databases. So extraction completed, and this is a directory. I am going to rename this directory for my convenience. So now I am opening the terminal. I am giving permission to this directory. Okay. So this command line tool is useful to execute queries in bulk. So now I'm checking whether Oracle JDK 8 is available in the terminal or not. So we are pointing Oracle JDK 8 to run this command line tool. So this is a database machine where Oracle database 18c Express Edition is running. So I am going to connect this database. Make sure that this database is up and running. So make sure that Oracle listener is up and running on this remote box. You can see that Oracle listener is running. So Oracle listener should be up and running, otherwise database won't get connected. Next, I am highlighting this command firewall-cmd -add port equal to 1521/tcp -permanent. So this command will unblock the Oracle database 18c port which is running in 1521. So now in Suse Enterprise Linux Server 12, I am going to SQL command line bin directory. So this is the command used to connect to Oracle database 18c Express Edition running in the remote directory. Make sure that you have unblocked the database port and make sure that there is a connectivity between this Suse Linux Enterprise Server 12 and remote database IP. So this is a JDBC URL I am typing. So I am going to connect as a sys user having the role as a DBA. Yes, so I can able to connect to Oracle database 18c Express Edition. Let me run some sample query. So this SQL command line utility, you can run the queries PLSQL code in bulk. So in batch mode you can run the queries. That is the main advantage of this tool. So I have disconnected and exit. Let me connect to Oracle database 18c Enterprise Edition, which is running in another machine. So I am going to connect to Oracle database 18c Enterprise Edition, which is running in another machine. Same JDBC URL, just I have changed the SID. Yes, I can able to connect to Oracle database 18c Enterprise Edition also. So Oracle SQL Developer Command Line 18.4 installation on Suse Linux Enterprise Server 12 is successful. Make sure that you have installed Oracle JDK 8, and we need Oracle JDK 8 to run this command line utility. And make sure that database IP and port are unblocked